In this video, we'll demonstrate key service and repair procedures on the Juvo B5 in their front-wheel drive configuration. Before starting, ensure that the control system is switched off and the main fuse is deactivated. We begin by removing the drive wheel. Loosen and remove the 5 bolts and lift the wheel off the hub. For service work on the drive motor, remove the screws that secure the motor to the swing arm and take off the splash guard. Then, release the suspension element from the chassis. This provides clear access to the drive motor. After disconnecting the cable from its bracket, the motor can be lifted out upwards. Here, we also show the removal of the drive wheel swing arm. The anti-tip rollers are mounted on this component. They improve safety by preventing the wheelchair from tipping over in extreme situations. Reassemble in the reverse order. Reinstall the swing arm onto the chassis. Place the motor back in position. And reconnect the suspension element. Secure the motor with the designated screws. The upper ones hold both the motor and the splash guard. Finally, reinstall the drive wheel. Tighten all screws to the specified torque values and apply thread locking compound as specified in the service instructions. For maintenance work, the caster wheel swing arm can be removed by loosening the axle screw and the suspension mount on the chassis. Depending on tolerances, spacer washers may be installed on the caster swing arm axle. These prevent axial play and ensure precise alignment. Reassemble the caster swing arm in reverse order. Again, observe the specified torque values and apply all required locking measures. To remove the caster wheel, take off the covers and remove the bolts and nuts. The wheel can then be lifted off. The caster swing arm features 2 mounting holes for different wheel sizes, the upper hole for 10-inch and the lower for 9-inch casters. When reinstalling, keep the original washer positions. During reassembly, follow all manufacturer-specified safety measures. Apply the prescribed torque values and reapply thread lock to all screw connections that were originally secured with it. Depending on the manufacturer's specifications, wear parts must be replaced, and certain components, such as nuts, must not be reused. Damaged parts must be inspected and either repaired or replaced. After service or repair, the product must again meet all safety and performance standards for its intended use. Information on the required tools, torque values, and detailed work steps can be found in the product-specific documentation, including the service manual and the instructions for qualified personnel.